Welcome to OCP TV, the newsroom for the Open Compute Project Foundation. I'm Laura Noland at the 2020 OCP Virtual Summit. Joining me today is Edward Carter, Vice President of Technical Business Development at LiteOn. Welcome to OCP TV, Edward.
Hi, how are you? I'm fine.
Well, I'm doing well. I'm glad you're here. Glad you're here with us, and we would love to know more about LiteOn. So please tell us about LiteOn and what you do.
Sure. LiteOn is one of the world's largest manufacturers and market share leaders of LEDs, power supplies, chargers and adapters, solid-state storage devices, network switches, and mechanical enclosures for PCs, printers, and racks. Our primary business model is to ODM for our customers, and thus LiteOn is known as an enabler for companies needing products in the marketplace where they are not necessarily skilled in for design and manufacturing those products. Good examples of these are power shelves, power adapters, power servers, power chassis, and solid-state drives.
Edward, you are a sponsor this year at the OCP Virtual Summit. Why is it important to be part of this event and this community?
Well, joining the OCP Summit provides us an avenue to showcase our position in this marketplace. It allows LiteOn to demonstrate in real time our breadth of products, our capabilities, and our strengths. You know, OCP is a great global community of technology leaders and innovators who are all working towards a common goal of providing a greater choice, a little bit of customization, and cost savings for the IT infrastructure.
Absolutely, absolutely. So when you are at the summit, do you have any news to share? Anything, the latest happenings at LiteOn?
We sure do. This year, we are excited to introduce our new Open Rack V3 power shelf, our V3 power supply, along with an updated power management controller. New key characteristics to the V3 power shelves are a very high efficiency power supply with a peak rating of 97.5%. A very wide input voltage range from 200 volts to 277 volts, and the PSU that is designed to fit either 6 across or in a 21 or a 19-inch rack. The power shelf itself can be configured with single or dual AC input to implement N+1 or N+N redundant solutions. We have both a 1U and a 2U shelf, so power can be bundled in either 18 kilowatt or 36 kilowatt packages. And the shelves can communicate with the rack power manager through Ethernet protocol or Modbus. We will also be showing and encasing our new OCP compliant rack series being manufactured by one of our other business units from our mechanical enclosure.
You have lots to share with the OCP community. That's very exciting, Edward.
Absolutely.
So as you are sharing the latest happenings at LiteOn and collaborating and networking with your fellow OCP community members, what do you hope to bring back to LiteOn to share and continue your innovation and initiatives?
Well, why nothing beats a face-to-face meeting, the virtual summit is currently the best alternative. We hope to still be able to exchange with a wide audience of OCP users and prospective customers excited to see the V3 power shelf, or quite frankly, one of our many other power shelves and power supplies configured for old V1 or V2 systems, all the way from 9 kilowatts up to 18 kilowatt power shelves, with multiple options on redundancy, rear bus bar connections, and other options.
So tell us how you became involved with the Open Compute Project. What factors led you to be part of the community and interacting with this community?
Good question. LiteOn Power, LiteOn solid-state drives, and our network switch business unit, along with our enclosure group, are already in use and qualified by just about every other top-tier data center organization in the world. Joining OCP gives LiteOn additional opportunity to engage with other data center customers, letting them know how our efficient solutions will lower the total cost of ownership, thus improving their ROIs.
You're talking about ROIs and improvement and really connecting you with the key folks that you need to be connected to. What about solving business industry challenges? How has OCP helped you do that?
Well, we have a broad product line that is mostly custom to fit very specific customers. And when you get into an OCP, you start narrowing that product line and making it focus for key customers who need a basic design that's compliant to the industry standard. So I'll give you a good example where, you know, being part of OCP and having an OCP compliant product can help our customers quickly. And we had an OCP compliant vendor who needed an immediate power shelf solution for an immersion cooling based rack system. And after we provided direction for setting up their system to accept the V2 compliant rack power solution, we simply slightly modified our existing product to quick ship. The customer didn't have to develop a new typical custom power supply specification, pay for a custom designed power supply itself, and wait the typical 9 months for getting production of a power supply. We shipped to this customer a ready to plug and play system within 6 weeks.
That's incredible. That's great. You know, and we're hoping that you continue to build upon that success at this year's summit and as you further your relationships and connections within the community. So thank you for sharing that success. We appreciate that. In the meantime, where can our viewers go to learn more about LiteOn and all that you've got that you're working on?
Well, you can go to www.LiteOn-PSS.com or simply click on our link and have a chat with us at the Virtual Summit.
Sounds great. Well, thank you so much, Edward, for your time here today. We appreciate it.
Well, thank you.
And thank you, viewers, for tuning into OCP TV. Enjoy the virtual show.